Hello all, hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain that how we can change an active voice, that is a modal based sentence, into passive voice. Means a sentence where a modal is used and it is an active voice and we have to change it into passive voice. For example, I can read this book. So I is the subject here, read is the verb here, and I can read, so can is the modal here. So I can read this book. So this is a sentence in active voice, that is a modal base. So I will tell you in this video that how we can change an active voice sentence that is a modal based into passive voice, with the help of few examples. So let's see how to change active voice into passive voice, that is a modal base. So like example 1, I can read this book. So this is a subject, which is a pronoun here. This is a modal. This is the verb, and this is the object here. So now I have to change it into passive voice. So how will I do this? See. So this object will come first here. So this book. Can. The modal can will be there, but you have to add be there. This book can be read. Read, R-E-A-D, the first one. The other two forms, we write it in the same way, but we pronounce or we read it like this. Read, read. It doesn't mean that we have to write the spelling as R-E-D. No. We read it as or pronounce it like read, 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 but the spelling remains the same here. So don't get confused. So this book can be read by, the pronoun I changes to me. So this book can be read by me. You can read this book. This book can be read by you. She can read this book. This book can be read by her. She can read this book. This book can be read by her. The pronoun she changes to her. Like Sita can read this book. This book can be read by Sita. So the general rule that we can use is here. When we write it into the passive voice, first the object comes, then can or any modal that we are using, like can, may, must, plus be, plus verb's third form. In the passive voice, we use only the third form of the verb, plus by and the subject. And in earlier videos, I have told you that if you are using any pronoun as subject, so how it is changed into the passive voice. So you can refer those videos. And hope this explanation was clear to you all. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.